Yo, what is good, YouTube? We are back with another video. I really don't know if I should be looking at the camera or if I should be looking straight, but this is a face reveal. This is the this is the voice behind the camera. There is no camera till today, but this is the voice behind the videos. Face cam might be permanent, might not be, depends on how I'm feeling. I'll let y'all know. But what is good, y'all? It is August 4th. Today's Tuesday. Let's get straight into the recap. I'm not gonna lie. So coming into today, I'm overall bullish, right? We tapped into the monthly like last week, and we got this nice reaction out of it. I didn't expect us to be this bullish this quickly, but we really did just rally to the upside, right? And so overnight or Monday, I didn't record a recap on Monday because I didn't take a trade. I missed what happened yesterday. I can't remember, but I had missed the play of the day yesterday. The new week opening gap longs, I had missed it, so I didn't take a play yesterday. So coming into today, we obviously had this nice displacement, and I was really looking for either a Judas longs. We'll get into that. We'll get into that. So we had our 4 hour marked out, right? We have it marked out right here, and then we also had this 1 hour gap right here, right? So we're bullish. This is the 6 a.m. candle, and obviously this is going to be showing market open. So this was the most recent hourly gap or high time frame PD array, or this was the closest high time frame PD array that we had, right? So I'm expecting a Judas long into higher or some type of cont longs to the upside coming into today. And I think we could just start the recap for real. Actually though, 1 second. Okay, that was yesterday's play. I just had to make sure. But obviously we see this, so I've seen this like every single day the past 2 weeks. We just accumulate right before, and I'm not gonna lie, the frequency of Judases that we've been getting has increased by a ton. But as you can see, we are accumulating before market open. Fake manipulation before market open. Oh my god, this whole, hey, get y'all to Arizona, man. This man. Anyways, am I recording? Anyways, did we have a 5 minute? We did have a 5 minute gap as well. Let me mark this out. Because I'm gonna show y'all what's so tight. So once again, coming into today, I wanted some type of retrace, some type of Judas long. I'm looking at this hourly gap right here. I'm looking at this 5, but I'm not paying it too much attention because we have an hourly right below us, right? But off market open, bro, chill, bros. I thought alright. Anyways, let me just do it like this. So we see immediately off market open, we rip higher instantly. We get this fake manipulation right here, and we tag back into this 5 minute gap. Right now, once again, I just told y'all I wanted to see this hourly get tagged, and we failed to tag it. So I was low-key a little bit tight because it's like, dang, this would have just been a perfect play, and I wasn't looking to take anything out the 5 minute, right? And then also at the same time, there were no bearish gaps to inverse to take the play to at least these highs, because this is the draw I was targeting, right? I'm just targeting this high if I'm looking for a Judas, you feel me? And if we're coming out the hourly, it's like you get a great R. You get what, 1 to 6, wow, you feel me? Or some type of, something like that. But I was looking at this high to get tagged, so the fact that we didn't get an inverse and we just instantly ran to this high was kind of like upsetting. But after I missed this first play, I was going to look for some type of cont longs, as I also mentioned, And so we let market play out a little bit, and right here, what happens, we create this 5-minute gap, or it's going to be created, I should say. There we go. The 5-minute gap gets created right here. And then I was also looking at the 15 to see if a 15 would get created. I wasn't going to wait for the 15 to get created, and I'll explain why. But due to the reaction that we had, I didn't think we needed something as big as a 15 to now continue pushing us higher. I thought this 5-minute would have given us a lot more, or would have been enough to take us to at least these highs. So I wasn't really looking for nothing too crazy like a 15 cont to potentially tag this 533 level. But we have this 5-minute bullish gap, and as you can see, I did take a short. So you might be asking, why did I take a short if I just said I'm looking for longs all day and I'm bullish? But we swept out this New York PM, right? And this New York PM is within a daily gap. It's within a daily gap, right? As we can see right here, this New York PM is within a daily gap. And I saw this in live time, and I was like, now would be a great time to get that rejection to take us lower to then continue going higher. So we get this sweep within a daily gap. Once again, the daily gap also isn't filled. We just took out a session high. So I'm seeing this and I'm like, wow, I really, really, really like this play. And I like this V shape that we got as well. Right? I'm going break even at this 5-minute, and then wherever price goes, we go, and then we potentially have this draw right here, right? But and it did look good. I took the short. We inversed the 1-minute gap. We inversed it really nicely, and I took the short, but it just ended up failing. And I'm not too mad that it failed, because I do understand we're ultra bullish, so I probably shouldn't be trying to catch a falling knife. But the play did look super good. The play did look really good. I liked it a lot. I did take a full size loss though, so that's pretty depressing. But I think we just ended up running the whole day, so there wasn't really too much opportunity to get involved. Right, there wasn't too much opportunity to get involved. Let me check trade copy for y'all boys. Holy, we are down on the day. We are down 4 bands on the day. We're down 4 bands on the day. That kind of sucks. That's a band apiece. Yeah, but hopefully tomorrow's a dub. I don't even know what to expect. We're dang near trading at all-time highs again, which is kind of depressing because we just left all-time highs. You feel me? We were barely trading in a range for like what, a month? Or no, okay, we're not at all-time highs, but ES is at all-time highs. That is something I know for sure. ES is at all-time highs, so I don't really know what to expect tomorrow when it comes to seeing how price is gonna look. But yeah, that is it for today's recap. I hope y'all boys got a dub. If not, keep grinding, keep staying motivated. Why not us, right? Always.